missing just one key filter can send users to a competitor. And it happens more often than you'd think. Some filters are consistently used across industries. But in testing, when those filters were missing, users couldn't narrow results effectively, and many simply left the site. In this video, we'll cover which filters matter most and why they're non-negotiable. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 1167 of Baymard's original large-scale usability test findings. Always allow filtering by price, user ratings, color, size, and brand. During testing, some users couldn't tailor product lists the way they wanted because the necessary filters weren't available. One user was especially surprised by the lack of a price filter, something most sites typically offer. For users on a budget, this makes it harder to narrow down options and find products that match their needs. When users can't filter out items that don't match their preferences, they're forced to mentally eliminate unsuitable options as they scroll. For example, one user found it frustrating not to be able to filter by table size. While a number of seats filter helps, knowing the actual dimensions is critical when the item needs to fit into a specific space. Always provide essential filters like price, user rating average, color, size, and brand. These filters help users quickly find relevant products and reduce the chances they'll leave the site to look elsewhere. During testing, users usually had a clear idea of their budget and wanted to see only items they could afford, making price filters essential. All sites should offer them, as they are one of the most important tools for narrowing down product lists. Like many users in our testing, this user on Pandora applied the price filter before any other. Many users rely on ratings to judge product quality or value, especially when they don't feel confident making that evaluation themselves. When they're unsure which products are suitable, they often turn to the opinions of others and want to filter product lists and search results by user rating average. Color is a common product variation across many industries, and during testing, we observed that many users had strong preferences, often refusing to consider products in colors they didn't like. Without a color filter for items available in multiple colors, product lists become cluttered with unwanted options, making it harder for users to find what they're looking for. Size is also a critical attribute across many industries, and unlike other filters, it's often a deal breaker. Either the item fits or it doesn't. If users can't find a shirt in their size or determine whether a refrigerator will fit in their kitchen, there's no reason for them to keep browsing. Many users are brand conscious and strongly prefer certain brands, especially in industries like apparel and electronics. The only exception for having brand filters would be single brand sites, such as direct-to-consumer sites, where a brand filter is often irrelevant. These were some of the highlights from our research findings. We have much more detailed information on optimizing your filtering interface, including over 80 product list guidelines in our research catalog. Go to baymard.com/product to learn more.